Good morning everyone. Today I will show you how to make the quickest banoffee pie. Before that, please check out my previous video for the classic banoffee pie recipe. The ingredients are on the screen. Firstly, we dip the biscuits in milk, and this will save us from using butter because it's too fattening. I made 2 layers of biscuits. Then on top of that, I added a layer of condensed milk caramel flavor, and then on top of that I added another layer of biscuits soaked in milk. And I didn't have any banana. I didn't add banana, so I went straight away and added cream. And then you can garnish it with chocolate sauce and crushed biscuits. And there we have it. This is the fastest banoffee pie recipe. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.